All right, this is the final stage of this bathroom remodel, the Shiplap. So I just already took the mirror off. I'm gonna go over that toilet paper holder and pulling that out. Go above there, above the shower. Second thing I'm gonna do, like I said, I remove the mirror, take these screws out, take these out, and I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna pull the covers off of here and go underneath them. I'm gonna have to pull those switches out a little bit. All right, I'm actually just gonna start at the bottom here and work my way up. Same thing here, start at the bottom, work my way up. All right, so what we did is ripped all these from long sheets. Ripped it on that table saw right there. All of them 8 inches. First cut here is gonna be 16 inches using my chop saw. First piece is going in right down there. And this is what I'm using to tack that all in. I'm using some little guys too. Oh, let me flip it around and show you. Short little ones. I think they're 3/4 maybe. ½ inch, yeah, probably 3/4. Right now, to go for the right look, I'm gonna go ahead and use these washers for spacers. So I'll just set them in between there and there. So I've got these cuts here marked out. I'm going to use a little reciprocating tool to cut it out. So this is just for that sink lip. All right, now I got this to deal with up here, so I'm gonna kill the power, unplug this, and then I'm gonna cap this, and pull this out of there. Just go over it with the Shiplap. Just working on getting this trim in here. Slap a little caulk on the side of the corner. Still got to do that little section there. cover up my gaps there with some trim.